Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Rohitech. Let's start the today's topic. Did you see these Oppo Enco X2 buds created with DIN audio? But the question is, who is this DIN audio? The DIN audio is Danish loudspeaker maker. They build their speakers with their own drivers, but they this time made the Oppo Enco X2 buds with their own drivers. This is an interesting wireless earphones. Let's check it out. Which have second generation coaxial dual driver system. Ultralight diaphragm for immersive deep bass, which is a crystal molecular diaphragm leading to best bass levels. It has 3x sound clarity with LHDC 4.0. LHDC stand for low latency high definition codec. LHDC 4.0 technology helps to significantly increase the wireless audio transmission rate to higher degree. It also protects the sound details. These Oppo Enco X2 buds have golden sound for personalize the sound solutions like performance boost and also with high performance SoC for the premium sound quality. Ultra wide frequency 45 dB active noise cancellation which blocks the unwanted voices, also with smart adaptive active noise cancellation which can automatically identify your surrounding, so no compromise in your comfort, and have a smart anti-noise algorithm. Also with latency down to 94 ms and gaming experience is also become more enjoyable. With Bluetooth 5.2 supports the Dolby Audio binaural recording to record and hear natural crisp and crystal clear audio. Has a wireless charging. It's so simple as placing the charging case on a charging pad. IP54 rated with dust and water resistant, so listen your songs in any place and any environment. With more functionable Hey Melody app for personalize your beat and your audio at your fingertips. So why are you waiting for? Come on, somebody, get up. Speed is life. You even dying slowly. If you really like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. We will meet again in another video with another interesting topic like this.